Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting. Today we are going to make dalgona coffee. So in a season like winter, coffee is a must, and making this very Instagrammable coffee is just so classy. So today we are going to learn how are we going to make this amazing dalgona creamy coffee. You can see the texture, it just looks so amazing. Okay, this is my brother and he is absolutely in every single video of mine. He judges every single video and this is what just he likes to do. So starting off, we are going to add 6 teaspoons of sugar in a big bowl, followed by 3.5 teaspoons of coffee. And soon after that, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of hot water. You can see all that smoke of the hot water, and then we're going to start whisking it. So as we start whisking it, we'll see that the color will eventually change, just gradually, and gradually it will start changing and it will just get lighter and lighter. Also, because we are making this without an electric beater, so it might take some time, but if you have the electric beater, it would just take you like 2 minutes or so. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so, because I'm actually planning to put a lot of coffee recipes on my channel, so I'm sure you don't want to miss that. Okay, so to check that your coffee mixture is actually completely whisked, you will just hold your whisk up in the air and see that the mixture should not fall down. That's when you know that it's all done, so you can proceed to the next step. So for the next step, you have to take a very fancy looking glass, and in that you have to add a couple of ice cubes, because we are going to make this chilled dalgona coffee. And then we have to add some chilled milk. So I'm adding like 3/4 cup of chilled milk. So a cup that you're taking for making the dalgona coffee, it should be filled with 3/4 amount by milk. And then I'm going to add like a teaspoon of sugar. Now I'm adding sugar in the milk because we don't want the milk to be very plain. We want it to be, still sweet, just a little bit. So I just mixed the sugar in that, and now is the best part, because now we are going to put that mixture, the coffee mixture that we made, onto the coffee. Also, you might save this for another uses, like you can keep it in your fridge, you can store it, and you can use for like the other 2 days. It will just take you a minute to make the coffee the next time. So now I'm going to add that mixture, and I'm going to fill like the rest of the 1/4 cup with this coffee mixture, and then you have to just swish it and just make this very fancy looking, creamy textured coffee. And voila, we are done with our dalgona coffee. If you try this, make your feedbacks in the comment section below. Bye bye.